Let's set up a Google Meet so that we can create a link to share with folks when they want to jump into our meetings or into our office hours. So this is the way that I access these Google Meets. I just go to Google and click on my list of apps here, and I need to get to my calendar. So I know there are other ways to access your Google Calendar. This is how I use it. This is how I get there. I open up my Google Calendar, and then I can pretty much click wherever I want. I'm going to double click. This is going to open up a meeting. Like that. Right here I will set the time of my meeting. This is the beginning date and the end date. Make sure you leave the end date the same as the beginning date. One of the mistakes I made was I wanted mine to be reoccurring to go through the end of May, and so I put May something on there. That doesn't work. This particular meeting begins and ends in the same day. This is where I will go and get it so it's reoccurring, or make it so it shows up every single day. So we have different options here. The most common one, I think, for our purposes would be every weekday, Monday through Friday. So, and this is the key right here. This is going to give me the link. We want to do conferencing. We select Hangouts Meet. And there is the link right there. That is the link that will take me into the meeting. If I click on that down arrow, this will expand. And now I can do like a screenshot and share this with other folks. This meeting ID link and the Hangouts Meet or link are the same thing. This phone number can be used for folks who don't have a computer. They can call up on a phone and they will be in our Google meeting. So I'm going to save that. And you can see that the meeting that I just created is showing up right here. If I click over here, go into next week, it's happening every day. And one of the things I like about this meeting now is I don't have to be within that 2-hour time frame to open up this meeting. I can open this thing up at any time of the day, but I got to get that link that we just looked at. So I will click on the meeting regardless of what time of day it is, and there it is. I can copy this link, and this is the link that I am putting into email signature lines or in different types of communications. Anyone who clicks on that link, and I'll show you what it looks like in just a moment, will get into my meeting. So let's click on that link. Join Hangouts Meet. So this is like the waiting room or the staging area. My camera shut off because Google took over my camera. That's fine. So I'm in this staging area right here. And when I'm ready to open the meeting, I will click Join Now. Everyone else who clicks on that link, they go to the same staging area and they can't get in the meeting until I open it up. So I'm going to click Join Now, and there is my meeting, and then I can see people will show up as they join the meeting. So that is how I create, get that link, share that link, and start a Google Hangout. So